Welcome to our channel. If your family has different data usage patterns, follow these step-by-step instructions to find the optimal family plan for everyone. Step 1. Track each family member's typical monthly data usage. Check account settings to see historical usage patterns for the past 3 to 6 months. Step 2. Categorize users into heavy, medium, and light data consumers. Heavy users stream video constantly, medium users browse and use social media regularly, and light users mostly text and call. Step 3. Compare shared data pools versus unlimited individual lines. Shared pools work well when usage is similar, but unlimited individual lines better serve families with vastly different needs. Step 4. Look for plans offering flexible line options with different data tiers. Some carriers allow mixing unlimited and limited lines on the same family account at different price points. Step 5. Calculate total cost for different plan combinations. Add up monthly line charges, taxes, fees, and any device payments to determine true total family costs. Step 6. Consider plans with data rollover or safety mode features. Rollover lets unused data carry forward, while safety mode prevents overage charges by slowing speeds instead. Step 7. Evaluate family control features for children's lines. Look for plans offering content filters, usage limits, location tracking, and parental controls at no extra cost. Step 8. Review family plan discounts available through employers, military, or other affiliations. Many carriers offer significant additional discounts that reduce already low per-line family pricing. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.